Okay, we're going to make our way through the woodland up to a 4-meter canvas tent, and we're going to stay the night because we've been told by the forecast that it's going to thunder and lightning. So hopefully we will be filming it. So this is now about close on 11 o'clock at night. 12, I don't know what time it is. We'll let you know when we get up there. So this is a bit of a woodland walk. So yeah, oh, big slug. Anyway, so it's a bit of ducking and diving between the trees. You okay? It's a bit of a trek because we're right in the middle of the woodland. I'll go slower. Is that better? Okay. Duck down. Whew. Ooh. Bugs everywhere, but nice bugs. Ooh, not on my neck. Yeah. We call this bit, is it Fern Gully? Look. Oh. Round. Ooh, right. Round. Keep going. And quite deep into the woodland. You okay? You can't see, but it's a beautiful. We've had some thunder and lightning going on. Sorry. Ooh, screech owl. Yeah. Ooh.
A pigeon fell out of the tree, okay?
He got racked off with us.
Oh,
Right. Keep going. Okay? Oh, cobwebs.
that's the thing about England, isn't it? You don't get any bears.
You don't get no bears or tigers or.
No.
So you know you're safe. So
The nastiest thing is a badger.
that's the most nastiest creature.
You get your Achilles heels.
And here we are.
Ow.
There we go. We left the lights on. I know, lots of bugs.
Parasol.
Whew.
Look at my food.
Should we go in?
Well, do it quickly because we don't want to bring any bugs in with you.
Right, okay.
Do the parasol first.
Yeah, I've seen that.
You do that and I'll switch off and I'll sneak in.
You'll sneak in. Go on then, I'll stay out here for a sec. Whoo-wee.
There's lots of bugs on my phone.
Yeah, I know. Switch off for a second. There we go. Yeah, shame you can't see the stars, it's beautiful. So we're going to stay see it. You in yet? No. She in yet? There you go. Right, we're going straight in now because the bugs are coming. I've got my red lights on, so here we go. Let's get in there out the way. Oh, like being born again inside. Oh. And we're in. Right, 2 seconds. Okay, we're in. Oh, my back. So it's a beautiful, beautiful, more 4-metre canvas tent. Little lights on it. It's got double door zips, so stops any creepy crawlies or bugs coming in. Right down to the floor. The pegs and whatnot are really substantial. The frame on it is just a single pole in the middle, and then an A-frame at the front, and then it's held all together. What you do first, you put the floor down first. This is a mat that she's bought extra, but you put the floor down first, which is this really thick plastic PVC flooring, and that zips all the way around. You've got air vents all the way around. You can see them, the oval ones. And we're just going to go to bed and chill now and wait, hopefully, for some thunder and lightning. And if we do, I will be up and I will be filming it. Alright, so if you don't see us in the morning, we've been attacked by werewolves and we've died, or you'll see us and we'll do some filming of thunder. If we don't get any thunder, and then the weatherman got it wrong again. Alright, take care and we'll catch you in the morning. Night. Morning peeps. Well, we stayed the night in that butte, which is, it's massive, it really is massive. Got a little bit cool, but that was fine, no problem, because we've all been sweating, haven't we? I was hoping for the rain and the thunder this morning, but it doesn't look like we're going to get any. We've got a few little drops coming. It forecasts thunder and lightning, but it doesn't look like it. So I'm going to give it 5 or 10 minutes up here to see if we get anything. It doesn't look like we're going to, and then I will take you back down the other path which we cut through the woodland to get back down to the cabin, and that's quite a nice little. You can I did a video coming up here last night, pitch black, which was quite funny. It's alright, that was actually, because it was, and the owls last night were amazing. They were really. I don't know what they are. Jane knows what they are, but yeah, there was one in the night, and it was like it landed on the tent. It was good fun. Right, so we'll see what happens, and then I'll bring you back in a sec and walk you down the path. I think you'll quite like that one. I'll just show you why it's in the light now. My daughter loves this. So a little bit of rain. Look, that's probably due off the tree. So I don't know what she paid for it. I don't know exactly. I think it was $3.29 or something like that. I guess nicely. Look how neatly she's tied up the guidelines. So yeah, so it's a fair size. It's a fair size. Yeah. Bit of bird poo, sort that out when we come to pack it down. That's one thing you must do with these, they've got to be packed down properly and then dried. Right, let's have a quick look. Oh, come on. So you've got the entrance, you've got the main canvas on the outside, as you can see, which is really good, thick material, and then you've got another inner door which stops the buggy wuggies and the creepy crawlers. We'll have a look inside. Oh, look at that. Jane made the bed this morning. I made the cup of tea. And there we go. Just an ordinary, that's a futon I think she got, an old futon she had at the bottom, and a blow up mattress. and then the quilt on top and a couple of blankets. And in this weather, that's all you need. But yeah, I only had that quilty thing. But anyway, so I'm just checking it up now. We're going to lock up. Can't hear any rain at the moment. Anyway, ooh. It comes with these. You get a ruck of these. So the idea is once you pop these over without catching your fingers. Make sure the zips across and all the way. Sorry about that. All the way. And then you got Velcro, and that's it. There we go. Whew. Well, it doesn't look like it's going to amount to much. Actually, it's breaking up and looking a bit. Got a few little bits of drizzle, that's all. I'll take you for a walk down the path. Ooh, see if you like this. Now, we've done all this by hand with a strimmer, a scythe, and you can see. And then we go over with a lawnmower. This takes some doing. It's quite an interesting little pathway if you're interested, of course. Around the corner. And I've got another little, see, we've got two-way here. We've got an island in the middle. Can you see that? Am I coming out? Oh, there we go. So we've got that path, this path. So we go around here, and that takes us into another little area there for a tent. It's only for the family, so. And through here, yeah, down this way. Yeah, like I said, so it was all like this. We've had to cut our way through and make a path. You can see it, very dense now, very dense. It's getting very humid again now. Get a few drops of rain, but nothing to even speak of, to be honest with you, because we could do with it for the grass. Not this, I'm not bothered about this. Better like this. There we go. And now we're going down quite steeply. I know it doesn't feel it for you, but yeah. And we're still going down. And down. And then round again. And then we'll climb a little bit. Round the corner. And again. Told you, this is fun. As when it's pitch black. Yeah, you need your head torch on for this one, I tell you. Especially with the briars, because they will have you. Keep going. Right. Around. Around again. Broken oak. And main path. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? Like the main path now. So this is back on the main track. Down that way. And then back this way. This is where we had one of that big, I don't know if we did a video on that. That came down. And that's it. We're back. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up. Sorry about the lightning. I did ask for it, but anyway, there we go. And we'll definitely catch you in the next one.